Hello viewers, welcome to Creativity Mela. In this video, I am going to show you the easiest way of making beautiful arti thali using waste pista shells. Now I am going to cover it with this type of silver cloth. This cloth is basically used for blouse piping. Here I cut the silver cloth in the circular shape 2 inches more than this plate. With the help of a hot glue gun, I am going to cover this. To make peacock face, I am using Mouldit. Mouldit has 2 packets, one hardener and resin. We have to take equal quantity from both the packets and mix them very well using talcum powder on the palm. Now the dough is ready. It became even white from all sides. Nowhere grey color. To make peacock face and body, we have to roll it like this. I took a paper piece and going to make a small ball out of it like this and stick it on the plate with the help of fabric glue. After this, we have to stick this peacock body on the paper. I am going to give texture on this peacock using the cover. I took a small piece from this cover, fold the plastic like this and make small half circles on the body of the peacock. Do it when the mouldit is wet. After drying, you can't do. To make feathers, I am going to use these waste pista shells. With the help of hot glue gun, I am going to stick these shells. Like this, we have to go on increasing the rows. After fixing all these pista shells in feather shape, now I am going to make crest on the peacock's head. Here I took golden tar and a golden bead. Insert the golden bead in the tar, then twist one end like this, then cut it. Here I took 3 strings and join them together. Then using a little moulded, I am going to fix it on the head to make a crest. Make a small balls from moulded and make eyes here. Now I color this peacock using acrylic colors. Now I apply these 3D outliners to make it more decorative. Now I stick these pearls in the middle of the feather to make it more decorative. Let's stick this stone lace here. Stick this lace on this portion. Now the arti thali is ready. It looks really beautiful with a colorful peacock in it. You can also use it as a Sinhasan for laddu gopal. Hope you guys like my video. Then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.